In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. We'll walk through a simple path to connect Google's tools to your Webflow site by using the app's experience, starting right from a Google search. This will help you set up Google Analytics 4 so you can track visits, engagement, and key actions on your site with confidence. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow, then press Enter. In the results, look for the official listing that reads Webflow. Create a custom website. Visual Website Builder. Click that result. This takes you to Webflow's official site, which is the safest place to access your projects and the app's marketplace. Once you land on Webflow, head to your dashboard. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can continue. In your dashboard, locate the project you want to work on. When you see your site's card or project view, click View Site. Opening the live or designer context ensures you're working on the correct project before you add any integrations. Next, find the Apps option in Webflow. Depending on your layout, this may be visible in the main navigation or within your workspace tools. Click Apps to open the Webflow Apps experience. This is where you connect trusted tools and extensions directly to your site without touching code. If you're collaborating in a team or workspace, make sure you have the right permissions to install apps. Inside Apps, go to the search bar and type Google Site Tools for Webflow. Press Enter. This search helps you quickly locate the official integration rather than scrolling through categories. You should see a result labeled Google Site Tools for Webflow. Click the Google Site Tools for Webflow result to proceed. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to install and connect Google Analytics 4 to your Webflow site. GA4 is Google's latest analytics platform, built for event-based tracking and privacy-friendly measurement, so it's great for understanding how users interact with your pages and content. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to review permissions or confirm details related to your analytics property. It's helpful to have your GA4 measurement ID available so the connection can complete smoothly. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened the official site, navigated to your project and clicked View Site, entered the Apps area, searched for Google Site Tools for Webflow, and selected it to install Google Analytics 4. After installation, allow a little time for data to appear in Analytics, and you'll be ready to make smarter, data-driven decisions about your site.